if you want, to Health Canada, their page, for information on the risks.
Charities are always struggling to survive, and some are even forced to end their programs due to a lack of funding. But a refreshing and very unique approach to the end of a non-profit organization could inspire a whole different look at the sector. As Jill Croteau reports, after 3.5 decades, a sexual health group exceeded their own expectations.
Knowing when to say when, it's certainly not an easy decision, but it's a unique one this charity is making. Rather than continue on justifying their existence, they're realizing it's time to close their doors.
Anytime an organization makes a decision to dissolve, it's a difficult decision.
The 35-year legacy of Sexual Health Access Alberta, formerly Planned Parenthood, is coming to an end this summer. They've accomplished their original mission. Sex education is now part of school curriculum, and access to it has increased exponentially.
Because we have worked so collaboratively and so closely with other organizations, we saw places where we could transfer those core programs, which meant that service to Albertans was not going to fall by the wayside.
It's a move so rare, a company hired to consult charitable organizations is using them as a model for others struggling in what can be seen as an oversaturated sector of 2,000 nonprofits.
It is unbelievably hard because egos get mixed up. And it's very hard to let go of your personal ego and say, what's the mission of this organization? Do we need to refresh the mission? Or is it time to say, we're done?
The challenges are clear: growing competition, shrinking donor dollars, and philanthropic fatigue. But not all are destined to call it quits. Mergers are potential options.
It should be part of that process where there is that periodic evaluation and navel-gazing about, do we still need to be here doing this? Is somebody else doing it better?
And sometimes gracefully stepping back after reaching the goal can be the wisest decision they ever make. Jill Croteau, Global News.
Sexual Health Access Alberta will continue until the end of July.
Canada's golden couple is calling it quits. Olympic champion figure skaters Jamie Salé and David Pelletier